Alright, so here we are, Mr. Mercier, and we're moving the bees into an observation hive inside the house.
Come on, guys, go to the light.
So we got the light in the back there, they'll go towards the light.
That's the
plan.
plan.
It's about 28 degrees outside,
Oh,
and
good, they're on there.
okay, so that's the first hive that they cone they made. There's the second.
Oh, it's falling off.
Huh?
It's all right. I'll put them down here.
You're hitting the bottom there.
Wow, it's not good.
It's a little bit bigger hive, huh?
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like it's further than the
Shouldn't be.
frame.
Shouldn't be.
You got it up on that side? Yep. Maybe put that one up top? The smaller one,
I
you
gotta
think?
see what I've got.
Yeah.
See what I'm gonna do.
You want to put that one back in the box first?
No, I'm gonna brush. Well, I can.
See what you got left, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
That might work.
I'm not going to the light. I got plenty of honey storage. Oh, good.
Oh yeah, right there. All you do is push it in. Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
I can't see.
they're buzzing now. I have a little light. Want me to turn it on? I don't know where. I'll get back there.